Good afternoon, dear students. Today is the fifth lecture of proportions. I think that now it will be the last lecture because already I have uploaded 4 lectures, and also we have already discussed the exercise also. Now this will be helpful for you because there is appropriate proportions, that which proportion you have to write with what, which with word. They are in combination. You have to write them in that way. There is one thing that there is written in Urdu as well as in Hindi. The Hindi medium students will see themselves from the Hindi, and Urdu medium students will see themselves from the Urdu. So I think it better to show you this one also. Abide means paband hona. We must abide the advice of our elders. ये तो होना भी चाहिए. It should be also in life. Abound in is known to you. It means बहुत ज़्यादा मकदार में. The Wular lake abounds in fish. It is known to you. But please take the screenshots or make the pause, because it is not possible that I will read all the words. I will read only important ones, and because there is written the meaning in Urdu as well as in Hindi, you can understand yourself also. Abound with means बहुत ज़्यादा. Forests in Africa abound with lions. Absorbed in here means mashgul, यानी कि busy. Abstain from means parhez karna. We should abstain from drinking. This is also good, that we should abstain from drinking. Accede to here means manna, accept. For example, the headmaster acceded to my request. Access to here means pahunch. He has no access to the governor. Accompanied to means adi hona. There is written in Hindi also. I am not accompanied to drinking tea. Accused to is known to you that it means kusudwat herana. Acquainted with means waqif hona. Adopt to means muwafiq, suitable. Abdicate is known to you that buri adat, abjected to buri adat hona. He is abjected to drinking. Admit to is known to you dakhil karna. He was admitted in 9th class. Adjacent to, I think that now I will not say the meaning and the sentence. I will only read the words. Then you will see yourself the meaning as well as the sentences, because there the meaning is written in Urdu as well as in Hindi. It will become easy for you. There the sentences are also given because they are very huge. I think that probably 10 pages. Then it will take time, and then you become bored. Affection for मोहब्बत होना. Afraid for डर जाना. Agree with रजामंद होना. Alive to होशियार होना. Alive with जिंदा रहना, चहल पहल होना. Allowed to तकसीम करना. Angry with नाराज होना और at. Aim at निशाना लगाना. Amazed to दिल बहलाना. Anxious about बेकरार होना. Anxious for यानी कि ख्याल रखना. यहाँ थोड़ा नज़र नहीं आ रहा है. Apologies to माफ़ी मांगना. Appeal to अपील करना किसी को. अप्लाई टू दरखास्त करना, ये आपको मालूम है। अपॉइंट टू यानी कि जगह देना। अराइवड एट यानी कि पहुंचना या इन। अशेम्ड ऑफ शर्मिंदा होना। आस्क फॉर यानी मांगना। एश्योर ऑफ यकीन दिलाना। अटेंड ऑन और अटेंड अपॉन खिदमत करना। अटेंड टू तवज्जो देना। अवेल ऑफ फ़ायदा उठाना। अवेयर ऑफ यानी किसी के बारे में मुतल्ला करना। 1 सेकंड। अपॉइंट शर्मिंदा यकीन दिलाना। हाँ, नाउ बी वर्ड्स विद बी। bark at. Now you can see yourself back out, back up, become of, beg for or from, beg of, begin with, at or on, believe in, belong to, build of, blind to, because these are so many. You can see yourself bent on, beware of, boast of, burden to, bound for, burst into tears, busy with or in. Now words is C, call on or at, care for, care of, careful of or about, catch at, candidate for, caution against, celebrated for, change with, change for, charge with, charge for, cheat of, cheat to. मैंने इसलिए इनको मतलब आप जल्दी जल्दी खाली इस वर्ड को पढ़ाएं क्योंकि बहुत सारे हैं और यहाँ माने लिखा हुआ है उर्दू में भी हिंदी में भी। मैं बार बार कह रहा हूँ, हिंदी वाले को भी आसान होगा, उर्दू वालों को भी आसान होगा। कंप्लेन ऑफ, कंप्लेन अगेंस्ट, comply with, compare with, compare to. ये आपको यहाँ आगे देखना है। कंपेयर विद होता है जब सिमिलर थिंग्स होंगे और कंपेयर टू होता है जब डिसिमिलर थिंग्स होंगे। कमेंस ऑन, कॉन्फिडेंट ऑफ, कंजुगेट ऑन, कंसिस्ट ऑफ, कंसिस्ट इन, contended with, control over, cure of, depth to, deal in, deal with, deal out, depend on. These are so many pages. This is why I have done this way. Dare to, delighted with, delighted in, demand for, desirous of, desire for, despair of, devote to, die of, die for, die from, differ with, differ from, disgusted with, displeased with, dispose of, distinguish between, down with, doubtful of. Please see the meaning as well as the sentences. Dream of, due to, due from, depth of. ये बहुत हैं। eager for, eligible for, illicit from, encroached on or upon, and in, endowed with, engage in, engage to, enter into, upon, entitled to, entrust to, inquire of, about or after or into. यहाँ है जांच, envious of, innovate, equal to, escape from, excel in, exempt from, exchange with or for, excuse for, exceed from, exposure to. Now F, fail in, faith in, faithful to, fall on, falls to, familiar with, famous for, fatal to, feed on, feed up with, feel for, fight with, fight for, fill in, fill with, fire at, fit for, fly into, fond of, fortune in, free from, of or with, frown on or at, full of, furnish with. नाउ वर्ड्स विद जी. मुझे मालूम है आप ये कह सकेंगे कि हमें क्या फ़ायदा है कि सर ने यहाँ कहा है तो हमें ये खुद भी आ सकेंगे. मुझे मालूम है, मगर उस तरीके से आप नहीं पढ़ते. जब आपको यहाँ लेक्चर में होगा तो आपकी नज़र ज़रूर पड़ेगी, माने पर आपकी नज़र ज़रूर पड़ेगी सेंटेंस पर. इसलिए मैंने आपको यहाँ माने नहीं कहा है, क्योंकि यहाँ तो मतलब हिंदी में भी है, इंग्लिश में भी है, दोनों. हिंदी मीडियम वालों के लिए भी है, इंग्लिश मीडियम वालों के लिए. अब मुझे फ़ायदा क्या है यही मतलब फिर से बताना. यहाँ तो लिखा हुआ है गेट एट, और ये बहुत सारे हैं, फिर वीडियो भी बड़ा होता है, फिर आप भी कोई परेशानी होती है. ग्लेयर एट, ग्लेयर ऑफ, ग्लेनेस एट, गुड एट, गुड टू, गुड ऑफ, गुड फॉर. ध्यान से सेंटेंसेस भी हैं. ग्रेटफुल टू, greedy of, grieve at, grumble at, guard against or from, guess at, guilty of. Now words with H. Hard at, hard of, happen to, hateful to, hear about, hear from, hear of or about, hear to, hidden from, honesty in, hope for, of, ignorant of, import into or from, impose of, impress on, impressed with, indifferent to, indebted to, indulge in form of, inferior to, innocent of, inquire into, insist on, intimate with, interest in, interfere in, invest in, invite to, involve in. Now J. Please wait because there is the screen is not visible here. J. जेलस ऑफ, जस्ट एट. इसीलिए मतलब मैंने ये यहाँ पढ़े, क्योंकि किसी जगह तो हो सकता है कुछ मत होगा, तो वो भी आपको क्लियर होगा और आप खुद भी फिर इन पर नज़र मारेंगे. ये बहुत हैं अभी, तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि एक ही वीडियो में ये कंप्लीट होने चाहिए. ज्वाइन विद और इन, जज बाय, जंप एट, टू, junior to. Now words with K. Keep to, keep on, key to, kind of, kind to. Please see the meaning also as well as sentences. Knock at, against, on, no to, no for, no by. Now words with L. Lekin, laid up with, lame off, limit for, laugh at, lead to, liable to, liking for, listen to, live in. Now there are the words long for, live within, long for, look at or down, lost to, liable to, made with, made for, match for, means to, meet with, meddle with, mindful of, mistake for, mix with, modern for, mood with, to, by, from, words with an. You can pause also if you, it may look you that I am in hurry. Necessary for, need for, need of, neglect for, neglectful of, negligent in. Another page. Notorious for, that means badnaam. The accuser was notorious for cruelty. O, now words with O. Obedient to, obliged for, or to, objected to, occupied in, occupied with, occurred to, offense against, offend with or at, open to, operate on, for, opportunity to, opposite to, overcome with. Now words with P. Painful to, part with or from, pass for, pity for, pity on, play at, play upon, pleased with. Another page. Point at, pondered over, prayed to, preferred to, present to, preside over, prevail upon, prevent from, prayed to, pride in, protect from, proud of, pitful by, profit by, provide for, provide with, punish for, popular with. Now words with Q. Qualified for, call with, quick at, quick off. 1 second. Quit from. Now words with R. Reason with, reason with का माने दलील देना. Do not try to reason with him. 1 second. So many pages are still. Recommended to, for, reconcile to or with, recover from, reduce to, refer to, refrain from, regard for, rejoice at. You can see all the sentences. Relate to, relieve of, remarkable for, remedy for, remind of, repent of, reply to, responsible to or for, respect for, resort to, rest on, rest with, revenge on for, revolt against, reward for with, rid of, rob of. Rob of means लूटना या चुराना. He robbed me of money. One second. Can't do anything. Assalamu